Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Freelancer Madhavi, and today we are going to discuss about the appreciation entry in fixed assets, how we can post any appreciation value uh, to a fixed assets using Navision or Business Central. So first you have to purchase the fixed assets using purchase order, then make a GRN of that fixed assets, and then make a invoice. So after posting the invoice, you can check the value of the fixed assets, and if you want to run the depreciation calculation, you can use the batch program calculate depreciation, and you can run the depreciation calculation for that purchased fixed assets. After running the depreciation using calculate depreciation batch program, and after posting the depreciation value using FAGL journal to the fixed assets. So now the situation is that you had already purchased an assets and you had already calculated depreciation on that. So now you want to post an appreciation entry using FAGL journal to that existing purchase assets. So how you can do that? Check the slides carefully, read all the scenarios and solutions. I'm not going to create any new fixed assets. I'm going to post an appreciation entry using that already existed assets in my system. So I'm using FAGL journal, and I'm using the field of depreciation acquisition cost. So we will enable it in the screen using this page, fixed assets GL journal. So you can check the entry and activate FA posting. Posting type is appreciation cost, and enter the amount. You can check all the details and enable depreciation cost as true, then post this entry and check again the depreciation calculation at the end of the month, quarter or year when you want to calculate depreciation. Through this field effect, depreciation will calculate only on the acquisition cost of the machinery. So this is the very basic and simple feature. You can check all the slides and details. You can use this easily. Thank you for watching.